Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Previous class we have discussed about heat, mode of transfer of heat, in which mode it is transferring from one part to another part, and that is conduction, convection and what? Radiation. Today our topic is sound. Today our topic is what? Sound. How sound produced from a body, how it travels from one region to another region, one place to another place. Today we will discuss everything. Before begins or before I will start my topic, I have to say something. Use masks, maintain distance and always wash your hands. Understood? So our topic is what? Sound. Sound is a form of energy. Sound is a form of energy which produce the sensation of hearing. Another one you can write also what? Sound is produced when something vibrates. When sound produce? When something vibrates, then only sound produce. Means all the vibrating body produce sound. In our locality or in our periphery we can see so many things, we can hear so many different sounds coming from different sources. Maybe it is from TV, maybe it is from radio, from mobile, from home theater, whatever may be. And most of the sound is coming nowadays due to vehicles. And that is, it causes a noise pollution also. Birds are producing sound, animals are producing sound, we human beings also are producing sound due to vibrations of our vocal cord. Something is vibrating here. That's why sound comes out from our mouth. So vibrating body are producing sound. When something vibrates, sound must be there. Understood? So it is a form of energy, light energy, magnetic energy, what another sound energy, different energies are there, heat energy. Okay. So when something vibrates, sound produce, and for movement of sounds or for propagation of sounds, it requires material medium. Without material medium it cannot travels. Means it needs medium. Let me tell you the comparison between light and sound. What about light and sound? Okay. Today you just try, home theater is there in your home. When it starts it producing sound, when it is produced, at that time only you will touch to the speaker, then what happens you see? Your hand, your finger will vibrate. Due to vibration only sound is produced. That's why. So what I told, let us discuss the difference between light and sound. Light and what? Sound. Little wait. So light and sound, difference between light and sound, let's see. Light and sound. Light is and electromagnetic waves. Sir, you are telling waves. What is waves? The disturbances created in a medium, that is called waves. And always we are representing the waves in this form. The what amplitudes? This is what amplitudes. In this form, the disturbances created in a medium, that is called its waves. And there are actually two waves. How many waves are there? Two waves. Before going to light and sound, let me tell you that, because I told one terms waves. Maybe a question is arising in your brain that what is waves? Waves are the disturbances created in a medium, and there are two types of waves. One is mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves and what? Electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves require medium, whether solid, liquid or gas. It requires medium for its propagation. Whereas electromagnetic waves does not require medium for its propagation. Mechanical waves are of two types. One is longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Longitudinal waves and what? Transverse wave. That one also we will discuss in this topic. Okay. Longitudinal waves produce two conditions. One is compression, another one is rarefaction. One is compression, another one is rarefaction. Whereas transverse waves produce two conditions. One is crest, another one is trough. Crest and trough. Okay. So difference between light and sound. Light is electromagnetic waves, whereas sound is mechanical waves. Light is electromagnetic waves, but sound is mechanical wave. Sound requires medium for its propagation. Means without medium sound cannot travel, whereas light does not require any material medium for its propagation. Light does not require material medium for its propagation. The speed of sound is 340 meter per second. In some book 330 also written. That is not fixed. 340, 330, whatever maybe you can write, no problem. Approximate value we are taking. This is approximately. Whereas the speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. I am telling in air. This is in air or vacuum. Properly listen and see here. I told the speed of light in air is 340 meter per second, means 340 meter per second, whereas the speed of light in air or vacuum means where there is no medium, the value is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But the speed of light in water and speed of sound in water. Speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, whereas the speed of sound in water is 1500 meter per second. Another one, in glass the speed of light is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, Is it visible? Let's see. Let me check it. Yes, visible. The speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, whereas the speed of sound in steel, means we are taking what, solid. The speed of sound in steel is 5000 meter per second. Speed of glass 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, whereas speed of sound in steel 5000 meter per second. You just see the difference between these two. When the density increases in light case, when density increases, speed of light decreases. In this case you see air, water, steel. Water is denser than air, steel is also denser than water. In this case the speed is increasing. Understood? So in density is inversely proportional to light, here density is directly proportional to light. But another thing also here, it depends, that is elasticity. Means how much elasticity is there in the medium, it also depends. What speed of sound depends on that elasticity also. Clear? It means speed of light decreases on increasing density, whereas the speed of sound increases on increasing density, as well as it depends on elasticity. More elastic the medium, the speed will be more in case of sound. Clear this much? Another thing, light can travel in vacuum, but sound cannot travel in vacuum. Light can travel in vacuum, whereas sound cannot travel in vacuum. So sound needs a medium for its propagation, whereas light does not need any medium for its propagation. This much clear? Now, how sound produced from our mouth? From our larynx, from our vocal cord. In our mouth, maybe something vibrating. I told you that sound produced due to vibration only. Maybe something vibrating, that's why sound is produced in our mouth. So let's see how it sound produced in our body. See, another term here. If light is reflecting back after striking a medium, that is called reflection of light. But sound when reflect back after striking a surface, hills, any mountains or walls, that is called echo. That is called echo. We will discuss later. So from our mouth sound is produced, and one organ is there, that name is larynx. The name of the organ is called larynx, is also called voice box. Larynx is also called what? Voice box. Understood? Another one, this is a broad part of trachea, you know, just after our vocal cavity. Vocal cavity means our mouth cavity. Pharynx is there, larynx is there, trachea, here one cartilaginous our what structure is there, that is called trachea. After trachea, bronchi, then bronchioles, then it leads to lungs. From lungs, air is coming. When you are telling something, you just keep fingers just in front of your mouth, you will be able to see air is coming out. Some gases is coming out. That is coming by the force of lungs. By the what? Force of lungs. Understood? Next, inside the larynx or vocal cords, inside the larynx or voice box, two flap like structure is there, flap like structure is there. When they are vibrating, at that time only sound is producing. Means inside the larynx two flaps are present, fold like structure, they are called vocal cords. What we are telling them? Vocal cords. When they vibrate or when we exhaled air, means from lungs the air is coming out, at that time it vibrates, and due to vibration sound is produced from our body, from our mouth. This much understood? Clear? Next one. The nature of the sound is also determined by the length of vocal cords. Means nature of the sound, what type of sound is coming from your mouth, it depends on the length of vocal cords. Whether it is a lengthier one or shorter one. It means the length of the vocal cords also helps to produce different sound. For male case, a grape sound is coming, whereas woman case, child case, baby case, that is what? His sound is what? Very shriller sound is coming. But our case, suppose you just take one example of my voice. My voice is what? Grape sound. Clear? Next one. Because our vocal cords is lengthier one. Which vocal cords? Male vocal cord is little lengthier ends. The sound produced by the larynx is modified into speech by the tongue, teeth and lips. The sound which is coming from vocal cords, it becomes speech by the help of teeth, lips and tongue. Without using lips, teeth and tongue, we will not able to say something, we will not able to speak. Why? Because it helps to speak some perfect word. You just tell parrot, parrot. What you will tell? P-A-R-R-O-T. Without touching your lips. You just tell parrot without touching your lips. I will see. You will not able to tell. Understood? Another one. You just tell. What you will tell me? Parrot without using lips. Teeth, tell. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. You just tell teeth without touching your tongue with teeth. Without touching your tongue with teeth, you just tell teeth. You will not able. This is why teeth, lips and tongues responsible for whatever maybe we are speaking. Understood? Next, another one is properties of sound. Properties of sound today I will not teach because there are three properties. Let me introduce with that three property. What are that? One is loudness, another one is pitch, and T-I-M-B-R-E, timbre you can say, quality you can say, whatever maybe you, or you can say tone also, tone. Tone, timbre, quality, pitch or loudness. These three are the characteristics of our sound. According to these three only we can differentiate two sounds. We can identify which sounds our mother sound is coming, or father sound is coming, or our uncle sound is coming. Or if two teachers are also teaching in different class, without seeing them you will able to say which voice it is. Due to these three properties of sound. Next class I will discuss all these three properties of sound, but briefly. You will enjoy. So whatever maybe I told you, just do. Without using teeth, you just tell teeth. Without using lips, you just tell parrots, puppets, whatever maybe you can say. You just tell Papa also. Papa tell. Without using lips, you will able to see. Means tongues, lips and teeth also helpful. They helps, they are responsible for whatever maybe we want to speak. Otherwise some word we will not able to tell without using teeth, tongue and lips. Okay? Today this much. Thank you very much. If you have enjoyed my class, then like it, subscribe my channel and share, and gives your valuable comments so that it boosts me. Understood? And it encouraged me to do some new things for the betterment of my students. Thank you very much.